Good morning, students. I am Miss Shazia. Today I will explain you chapter number 8, Manufacturing from Raw Materials to Useful Products. Water itself is a raw material in these products. Water itself is a raw material in these products. Water itself is a raw material in these products. Water itself is a raw material in these products. From living things. Many raw materials can also be obtained from plants and animals. For example, the coconut tree is very useful. Every part of the tree which grows above the ground can be made into useful products. The flower is seasoned and used to make toddy, a fermented drink. A picture of coconut tree. The trunk of coconut tree is used to build buildings, boats and bridges across narrow streams. The fronds provide roofing for village homes. The hard shell of coconut tree can be used to make coin boxes and serving spoons. The husk provides materials which is used to make coir fiber, which is used to make brushes and brooms. The cow story. How cow is useful for us. The flesh provides meat for food. The milk is used as a drink and for making all kinds of dairy products such as butter, cheese and yogurt. The skin is used for making leather goods such as bags, belts and shoes. From fossil fuels. A fuel is a substance that burns to release energy in the form of heat and light. Fossils are the remains of animals or plants which have turned to stones. Fossil fuels are fuels formed over millions of years from fossils and they are usually deposited deep below Earth's surface. For example, crude oil, natural gas and coal are examples of fossil fuels. Raw materials and products from crude oil. Paraffin. Paraffin is used to make solvents for paints. Wax is used to make candles. Raw materials and products from natural gas. Methane is used to heat homes and cook food. Sulfur is useful impurity, is used to make sulfuric acid. Plastics. Plastics are man-made raw materials. They have been successful in the making of useful products. This is because plastics can be shaped into almost any form and has a wide range of color and hardness. Common plastics and their products. PVC, polyvinyl chloride. They are strong, flexible, easily colored, resistant to chemicals and weather. Products of PVC: pipes, raincoats, toys, garden hoses. And the next type of plastic is polystyrene. They are lightweight, odorless, inexpensive, and the products obtained from polystyrene are cups, bowls, toys, packaging materials, ceiling tiles, and computer discs. Products made from polystyrene: cups, bowls, toys, packaging materials, ceiling tiles, and computer discs. Products made up from PVC: pipes, raincoats, garden hoses, and toys. Radio, camera, plugs, handles of kettles, and frying pan are examples of bakelite. Polyethylene. It is lightweight, flexible, feels waxy. Products of polyethylene are food wrappers, squeeze bottles, bags, and pails. Waste not. Some waste materials can be recovered and used again. The processing of waste materials for reuse is called recycling. For example, scrap metal can be melted down to make body parts of cars. Ground up glass can be used in road building materials. And paper from milk cartons, paper bags and old newspapers can be processed into pulp to make cardboards, tissues and writing papers. Plastics can also be melted down to make new plastic products. Students, you can see in the picture waste materials that can be recycled. For example, old newspapers can be used to make paper bags and bottles are used to grow indoor plants. Now students, it's time for home task. Answer these questions. Question number 1, define plastics. Question number 2, define fossil fuels. Which raw materials are obtained from fossil fuels? Write their names only. Question number 3, name 3 waste materials which can be recycled and write down 3 recycled products. Question number 4, what are the products obtained from bakelite? Question number 5, what is recycling? Question number 6, which type of plastics are each of the products shown below made of? Question number 7, copy and complete the following table. Students, I hope you like my lecture. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.